Here we go, chat. Kyle Ray, Dance Plumini one. All the game, pull up. Kyle Ray, huh?
Hey, I got like a little motivational speech though. What you said? That's good.
Pop a honey pack.
You got a bullet tag. What a bullet tag. Hey.
Wait, everybody get more bullets. Hold on.
We got no.
Hold on, don't do that.
Don't shoot me. Don't shoot yet.
Don't shoot yet.
You got that weekend.
If you want it, you can get it for the rest of your life. Oh shit, NERF. Shout out NERF. NERF. Shout out NERF. Chat, shout out NERF. W NERF. No randoms. Everybody. What's that?
Yo, we got guns come right now. You're not gonna see how I'm feeling.
Shout out NERF. Okay, wait. Nobody start shooting, please.
Niggas better strap up in this shit.
Hold on. We gotta make this some real team shit. Word.
Everybody just grab a pair of glasses, bro.
Really okay?
I'm not even about to make niggas jump out there like that.
You good? Chat, this is some real hood shit, okay? Shout out to NERF. Chat, we about to double the record, okay? We about to double the record in subs.
You don't want to break those glasses.
We got 5. What is it? How far are we? Okay. Hey!
Make sure I get a pair of glasses. Kevin, you got glasses, Kevin? Here. You can have some glasses. I know.
Kevin. Now, if he discriminates, ain't able to wait.
From the looks of this, none of these dudes stand a chance.
He ain't playing.
Safety first.
See, there's a real method to NERF battles. The first thing is safety. For all the younger kids out there that's doing these NERF battles, protect your eyes, man. One of these things pop your eye, it's over for you. Over for you. Wear your glasses.
We are not in
Chat!
Friday. We're not in Friday.
Chat,
We are not in Friday.
we about to be on some real sliding. Oh, what the fuck? You see that?
Some real murder shit.
Oh, do y'all see that?
Huh? Why do you have so much bullets in yours?
I'm talking about that action star arm. Holy shit. Huh?
I gotta show you. I'm
Talking about that action star.
You're gonna stop playing. That's what you're gonna stop doing. I understand you're my uncle, but you're gonna stop doing that. So what is this?
What is that?
What? Kevin, don't do that, Kevin.
What is that?
Kevin. What is this?
Are you sick?
Do it look like I got arthritis?
No. Looks like you're
Okay,
sick.
so what is this?
Are you gaining your weight back?
Kevin.
Look at that and look at this. Huh? Look at that and look at this. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, bro. What, bro? It's hot, bro.
Now we got twins.
Now he wants to try. Now he wants to try to take my look. Now he wants to try to. Whoa!
Now I see what you're saying.
Now you see what I'm saying?
Yep.
Now he wants to try to take my look.
I see what you're saying.
Whoa, check. Oh shit.
So we got. Don't run away now.
Whoa!
We got twins. Yo, you're missing one of these, right?
What up, man? Move it. Yo, look. Gather. So the whole house is covered, right?
Nah, niggas got extendos. What the fuck? I got my protector. I got a banana. You don't know about this, huh? I got nothing. Yeah. He's sliding.
What? All right, so let's go. Guys, I'll see you in a little bit. Love to all. Let's go, chat.
It said who that? It said who that?
Hold up. Production, y'all going to do a good ass job. Who that? Yo, y'all got your mic? Glasses? Where's your mic? You banquet. Glasses right there. No glasses. Ask him for glasses.
Yo, guys, there's also mags hiding around the whole house. There.
Yo, don't shoot yet. Do not shoot yet. I'm loaded.
I got 4 pockets. Let me use all of them.
Oh shit, I forgot. I love it. Pardon? Okay. Wait, so what you about to do? Let me not pick up ammo? Hold on, chat.
Oh, matter of fact, I got enough money.
Now, this is Bryce's friend, chat. Relax. This is Bryce's friends.
This nigga said I got enough ammunition. All you need is one. Soon as that shit empty,
Who that?
reload.
Tell me your name, bro.
Henny Steez.
Huh?
They asked me who I am.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to shout out Ariana in Rio.
Ariana, shout out you. And who?
You remember Ariana?
Oh, yeah.
In Rio.
See, I'm still in the gym, nigga. You still in the gym?
I haven't been in the gym in a minute.
Ah.
I still got it though.
Yo! Alright, everybody come in.
We got one behind us.
Alright, where's Kev? Where's Kev, chat? Where's Kev? Hold on, chat. Everybody see what's going on. Where's Kev? I heard him.
Downstairs. Probably haven't.
Pull up! Alright, section off real quick.
We doing teams or just?
No, we about to see what's going on right now.
Yo, they had us put his glasses on.
Yeah.
We ready. We ready.
Be ready.
I ain't got shit in them, I know. Oh, shit. Oh, my bad, yo.
Yeah, Willie, they say you look good, Willie.
Already?
Yo!
Yeah!
Dad! No cat.
Alright, so you guys stop y'all.
Took my head off.
My bad, brother.
Baka! What happened? Ready?
Yo, Kev!
I'm about to make this on some real street shit. I should have got DDG in here. But I'm about to make this on some real power storyline shit. Here we go, come in! Everybody get serious. Alright, look.
I really gotta feel like a shot.
Yo! Where's Druski at? And then close that door. We going over rules? Everybody spread out. Yeah. Everybody spread out. Everybody, Talil? Where's Ray, Rakai? Alright.
Nah, get in.
Dang.
Oh, my bad.
Alright, listen to me. Everybody quiet real quick.
Everybody quiet.
Shit done got serious. Hold on, y'all. Shit done got serious real quick. Okay? Niggas gonna have to choose a side on how shit going. So, what's the crowd looking like right now? Bryce, who you with?
Who's the teams? It's team 1 and team 2.
Okay. Now it's team 1 and team 2.
That's it. Ain't no third team, ain't no fourth team, ain't no fifth team.
Oh, nah, he's not on my team.
He's definitely not on my team. Dropping the ball.
Who wanna be on teams?
Yo, you already know what it is.
Who wanna be on teams?
I only care about one person in this room.
Who?
It's my son.
What if I kill him right now?
What the fuck?
You kill him, brother. I got one.
What if I shoot him right now?
I got one to the back of your head.
You got one to the back of my head? What makes you think? Hold on! What makes you think your short ass got anything? Hey, put the gun down. I don't got the gun in your face.
He got one of yours. You understand what I'm saying? That's the only person I give a fuck about in this.
Yo, Kev.
Price.
Give it a chance.
Association V.
What about me?
Give a fuck about you too.
So
All
Brian,
the rest of you,
What the fuck?
I can give two shits about.
Yeah.
all right.
So if it's coming
Yeah,
down
me
to
too.
an order, Druski,
All right, bet. Hey, everybody on this side, y'all with me. Straight up. Split it up. Yeah! Yo, y'all stay on that side. Everybody with Kev, consider yourself dead, nigga. Consider yourself dead, motherfucker.
Wait!
Everybody with
Anybody
Kev,
on that side?
consider yourself dead, nigga.
Let us see what's going on.
Straight up.
I ain't gonna lie.
Straight up.
Okay. I gotta be honest real quick.
Line right here. Hey, draw a line.
Divide the line.
take who you want.
Divide.
I'm the only one in here that's done action. Draw the line.
Divide the line.
Divide the line. Hey, Kev, you did what you wanted to do. You chose a side, motherfucker.
Hey,
Hey, be quiet down, y'all. Quiet
Hey,
down.
now it's repercussions on that shit.
there's only one person in here that's done
Your
action
fucking
movies.
son.
Hey,
I'm the only one in
Everybody
here
got a
that's
minute to
done
hide.
action movies.
everybody got a minute to hide in this motherfucker.
Everybody got a minute to hide.
Everybody got a minute to hide.
Everybody got a minute, 1 minute to hide in this
Hey,
motherfucker.
I suggest you start the clock.
Yo, I'll keep you out.
Hey, bro,
Only niggas that hide.
we got snipers on the roof. Hey, I'll see you. Get out. Get out. Hey, Captain, y'all stay here. Hey, look.
No, hell no. We're not.
You get fucked up, motherfucker.
Bro, Tom Willie, I'm shooting your cross-eyed ass first. That's right. Get the fuck out of here, Willie. Let me get a fucking cross-eyed ass.
Up. Hey, chat.
Real talk.
Chat is up.
Real talk. Listen. Now, guys, I'm gonna tell this to the chat. I'm gonna tell it to y'all. I got real experience. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna flank them. They're hiding, which means that we're on attack. Meaning that we're the
we need
ones
shooters
that's going
everywhere. We
out
need shooters.
seek. So what you do is you take your time, you walk out. You do it in pairs. You got one person that's ready to shoot. You got one person that's watching your back. You go two spaces, you understand me? One to the front, one to the back. That way you always got a shot. That being said, you only have it so long.
What about the side?
Oh, they seen us. Pull up.
Chitty bang bang, motherfucker.
This way.
Hey, this our house.
Hey,
It's our house.
hold it.
Hey, this our house.
Hey.
Hey, come on. Hey. Come on.
We clear.
Come on.
Yo. Close that door. Yo, what's the plan? Hey. Oh, let's
We have no play.
Okay.
We just got right here.
Okay, they have all the ammo.
No.
Hey, is there a back door we can get out?
No. Here's the back one over here. Here we go. They're coming out? Close the doors.
No. Chauncey, come on. Hey, if you're Ray. Hey, Ray. Come on.
No, bait them right here.
Yeah, you're right.
Hey, let's leave now.
Yo, we need somewhere to talk. Hey,
What you want with me, motherfucker?
hey.
What you want with me?
Movie room.
Yo, Kevin. What you want with me, motherfucker?
Movie room.
What do you want with me, motherfucker?
Movie room was nice.
Come on.
Alright, let's go movie room. Yo, follow me. Follow me through background. Blue background.
Oh, shit.
Move.
Hey, back up.
Movie room. Go in the movie. They don't know how to get in there. Go. Watch your step. Oh, don't shoot. Come on. Move. Movie room. Don't shoot. It's gonna be hard to miss your fucking go. Come here. Move. Like, hold it down. There's only one entrance. Hold it down. There's only one entrance. No, come over here. That's dumb. No, over here. Come on. Hold it down. Hold this way down. No, that's on our team. Hold this way down. Talil, come over here. Where's Druski? Where the fuck is Druski? Bro, where the fuck is Druski? Where's Kev? Capture Kev. Where's he at? Yo, capture, go. Capture Kev. Go. I got Kevin. Look at the movie room. Oh, shit. Movie room. Hold on, son. Hold on. Come on. Hold on, son. Hey. Hold on, son. Come on, young nigga. Hey. Do that, boy. You get tired fast. Jump, nigga. Hold on. Oh, come this way. Go around.
I'm shot.
Go around. Oh, fuck.
I'm shot.
Pause.
We in the pool house.
Come on.
You weak
shot.
fuck.
They got some in the basketball court.
No, pool house.
You ain't nothing but a...
Come on.
We got him hostage.
Have him in the window. Come in the window. Hands up. Come over here. Come here, nigga. Come on.
I've been hit.
Come on. Sign him. Put him in the sign.
His son.
Yeah. Pop him, son. These
Hey,
weak
come on,
bitches. Pop him, son.
Come on, get it. Sign him. Right here. Let him make. Hit him make. You're fucking done. Watch the back. Hey.
You weak fuck.
Where the shit at? Where's the fucking money, nigga?
I ain't give you nothing. I ain't give you nothing.
You gonna tell me where the fuck is at? I need all the money. I need everything. From Kevin Hart, I don't see, nigga. You gonna give me the fucking money.
You got nothing.
Come on. Close the door.
You got nothing on me.
Bring him from the scene.
Hold it down.
You got nothing.
Where's the fucking money, nigga?
My son will be here in no time.
Nah.
Fuck that. My son will be here.
Yes, son.
Have your hands on the stick.
All that shit done.
You too weak.
Fuck that. Yo, I'm gonna kill him.
done.
Should I do it? Do I have to kill him?
Hold on.
Do I fucking kill him?
Keep him for ransom.
I got this motherfucker in my scope. I got this motherfucker in my
Keep him
scope.
for ransom. Keep him for ransom.
How was that? Let me get
You
something.
see the bullets getting shot.
We should get his son.
You see the bullets getting
Let me get his son.
Yeah.
Keep him good.
Yeah, get his son. Hold him hostage.
Hey, hold his son. Get his son.
You thought this shit was a game.
We gotta make it surrender.
He left his ammo.
Hey,
That nigga left.
Get his son.
Get his son!
Get his son.
God damn it!
But Kyle, make sure they don't leave.
Hey! I'll shoot you, motherfucker!
Yo, make sure they don't leave. Wait, we need his son. Where's his son? Where's his son? What's his son? Hey!
hey, we running in the
Where's his son, motherfucker?
Where's his son?
Where's his son?
Where's your fucking
Where's your
son?
son?
Where's your son? Damn it!
Where's your son?
Where's your fucking son?
Where's your son, nigga?
Where's your son, nigga?
Where's your son?
Okay.
I got you right where I want you. I got you niggas
Where's
right
his son? Hey,
where I
where's his
want
son?
you.
Where's his son?
It's your fucking
Where's his son?
son.
Get his fucking son in here!
Get his son in here.
Get his son in here!
Get his son.
Get his son! Bring his ass in here! Close the door. Keep the gun on. Keep the gun on. Keep the gun. Keep it going.
Run,
Keep it going. Hey, son.
Run, son!
Get his son!
Run!
Get his son! Get his son!
Y'all weak.
Yo, get his son!
If you didn't have that fucking gun, I'll kick your big ass.
Where's the son?
Where's your fucking son?
Where's the
Do
son?
you understand what's coming out of my fucking mouth?
Get his
Are
son.
you fucking crazy? Do you want to fucking see crazy? Where's your fucking son?
Drop your gun, motherfucker!
Yeah.
Drop your gun!
They coming.
Be careful, be careful.
They coming. They coming.
Oh, infiltration!
Yeah. They coming.
Infiltration! No, take your son. Your son ain't going out.
Tear it out.
He ain't going out.
Tear it up. Yeah.
Hey, get his son in here, motherfucker!
Tear it up.
Yo,
Tear it up.
It's his
Tear it
ass,
up.
man!
His house is a little as shit.
Hey,
Tear it up.
Tear it up. His last name Hart. Bring him in fucking.
they're coming in, they're coming in.
That's right there, huh? On an expensive ball.
No, let's hold it.
I told y'all.
Keep it going.
I told y'all.
Yeah.
I told y'all.
Yo, turn the side on.
My seed don't play about me. My seed don't play about me.
He's causing right. Hey, get his son. Bring his son in here.
Yeah.
Everybody get him. Homie, go.
Get him.
Keep on honest.
Get him. Get him. These weak fucks. Get him. These weak fucks. They're weak. They're weak. Get him. These motherfuckers is weak.
Get the fucking son. Bring the oxygen. Bring the oxygen.
Get
Oh,
him.
shit.
Get him.
Oh, shit.
Get him. Yeah, I'm good. They tried to.
We lost the hostage, y'all.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
You weak fucks.
Bro, they got fucking lucky.
Hey.
I told you. My son
More
will come
ammo.
back for me.
I know.
God damn. We left. Oh, shit. Ah, shit.
Upstairs. Fuck, he got away. Fuck, he got fucking away. Fuck.
Perfect execution. Hey, let's pick the one. Well,
Watch the roof.
you can easily always get the fat one.
You want to get Druski?
I mean, he's the slow one. You can get Druski. Huh? That's what I just said. Let's get one.
Yo, come on.
Hey, I told you weak fucks. It was a matter of time.
Stand in the middle.
Hey,
Get in the middle.
hey,
Get in the middle.
hey,
Get in the middle.
I told you. Goddamn, bullets got some steam on them, don't they? Hey,
Giant ain't nobody.
Come get us.
okay. Oof.
Oh, shit. Nigga, you on my team.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Trust me, brother. Trust me.
Right here. Hey, his son. Hey, his son right here. Hey, his son is right here. Hey, his son is right here. Hey, just keep right here. Just keep right here. Get his son. Get him. You got him. You got him. Cheer. Lock that door. Lock it.
Hey, this Cam's son right here. Hey, come here. Shoot us.
You a Hart, right?
Chauncey.
You a Hart, right? Nah, he's a Hart.
We got him.
He's a Hart.
We got him.
He's a Hart. Say he's a Hart. He's a Hart.
Hey, help! I'm inside!
He's a Hart.
Hey, what you gotta do, okay? You gotta give him every password to all your father's networks, all your father's businesses, every property he got, every single car. We need it. Kevin, we need all that. Your dad ain't gonna do shit. You wanna know why?
Nah. Just wait.
Yeah!
Get back, Cam.
They'll be here.
Get back, Cam.
Get back, Cam.
Where that get back, Cam?
Get back, Cam.
Kai, you gotta close the door.
Get back, Cam.
Hey, let it open. Leave it open.
Help! I'm inside!
Get out!
Hey! Oh, shit! Holy shit.
I'm out here, I'm out of ammo!
Come here, nigga. Oh, shit. Come here, nigga. Come on, nigga. Come here, nigga. Come on, nigga. Come on, nigga. Come on, nigga. Come here. My gun don't fucking work. Fuck.
Wait a minute,
My
man.
gun jammed up.
Hold on. Hey, cop by itself.
I'm not.
Dude. Hey, grab me. Fuck.
Come on.
He's just running. I need ammo.
Come on.
I ain't gonna lie. Son, we are having a fucking great time.
Oh, shit.
Say what we want.
Oh, shit.
We're fucking having a good time.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I'm in the movie theater, Chad. I had to call my mom. I had to call my fucking mom. Come on, mom, answer. Oh, my fucking God. Oh, my God. Come on, mom, answer. Mom, answer. Answer, mom. Answer. No. Fuck! Phone dead. Oh, shit. What is that?
I gave up.
Get in here. Okay, think. Okay, fuck, oh shit. What do I do, chat? Phone is dead, what do I do, chat? Chat, what do I do? What do I do? Phone is dead. Okay. What do I do? What the fuck do I do?
Headshot. I got you. They caught it. Yeah, Bryce.
Good gun, bro.
They caught it. Hi. Nerf battle over, chat. W battle, chat.
Okay.